iPhone's control center is not working. Here's the fix. Force restart. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo. Once your phone restarts, check the control center again. In most cases, this completely fixes the issue. If not, check Access within apps. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Turn on Access within apps. Enable Control Center on lock screen. Open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll to allow access when locked. Turn on the toggle next to Control Center. Now, check the Control Center again. If it still doesn't work, keep watching. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and tap General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. It only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, accessibility, and layout preferences. After your phone restarts, check the control center again. That's it. Your control center should be working perfectly now.